In this video I'll be showing you how to use Microsoft Excel more efficiently using ChatGPT. But what is ChatGPT, you might ask? This is a natural processing artificial intelligence made by OpenAI, which greatly helps generate any kinds of responses based on what we need. So in this video, we will be tackling examples using both simple and a little advanced functions in Microsoft Excel with the help of ChatGPT. Let's start with some basic math here. So we would like to solve for the total salaries of Jones, Smith, and Louise. Okay, let's say you have zero knowledge about how to work with this computation, so let's use ChatGPT to help us. So let's go to ChatGPT on this website. So now we can simply send a message or ask any question at the bottom of the screen. So in the text box type, write a Microsoft Excel function that adds cells C6 to C8, and you can hit enter. Okay, now ChatGPT is generating a response. So here's the given formula here. You can type the following formula, or copy rather. Let's go back to our spreadsheet and paste it in the sum. Okay, and there we have it. We have the sum of the total salaries here. Pretty easy, right? Now let's move on to something a little more advanced, but I'm sure we can get the hang of it. Now this is how to use the if function. Okay, so here I have some data on staff salaries. So in this column, I want to calculate whether the particular salary is over the grade maximum. So if the salary is greater than the grade maximum, then this cell should give me a yes. Otherwise, like here, 1,300 is less than 1,500, so it gives me a no. Okay, but let's ask ChatGPT for a formula on how to do this. Let's start a new conversation and type here. Write a Microsoft Excel function. If cell B6 is less than D6, then the value should be no. Otherwise, the value should be yes, enter. So ChatGPT gave me this formula that we can use. Let's copy this, and here's a short explanation below. Now let's paste it onto our cell. Okay, so it gave us a yes, that's correct. Let's drag the fill handle down, and everything seems correct. So far we have already done the sum and if functions with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, next we have another example where we use macros or Visual Basic for applications. Here we want to be able to click this button and we want it to create a new email. Send it to the email address in column A, have the subject be from column B and have the message body be column C. So back to ChatGPT. Here we'll say write a Microsoft Excel macro that creates a new email to the address in A2, subject line from B2 and message body from C2. Okay, now ChatGPT is generating a response. Notice that it's assuming that we're using Outlook here, which in my case is true. If you didn't have Outlook installed though, this would not work for you. Let's copy this. Now let's go back to our spreadsheet, and press Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor. Go to Insert then Module to insert a new module. Paste the above code into the module window. Close the VBA editor. Now you can run the macro. Right-click on the button and assign macro. Select Create Email. This macro will open a new email in Outlook with the recipient, subject, and message body taken from cells A2, B2, and C2 in your Excel workbook.